In this video, we'll go through sending out emails as part of a custom function. This can be pretty handy if you need to notify a user or if you're doing some kind of sophisticated email that won't be handled properly by a Zoho CRM workflow alert. To do it, the simplest way is to drag the send mail task over. You can, if you're not familiar with the syntax, you can use Script Builder. That can be a pretty easy way to go. That will then allow you, if you drag it on, it'll allow you to quite easily set where it will send from, where it will send to, and if you want to insert variables, then you could go testrecords.get0.get email. You can still have deluge as part of it. And then you can put in the subject. You can use deluge mode. So you can say subject of the email plus Zoho.current date, and then put in your message. You can make it green if we want to. You can underline it. And then if we go into deluge mode, we can work with the HTML and also add in variables like that. After we're done, it's going to turn that into code for us. You can see here, that's the essence of it. I find send mail tasks to be pretty helpful during debugging. If I have a custom function that gets triggered by a workflow, there's no way to interrogate that. I don't have access to any info statements that I might want to use for debugging. So the only way really to peer into the innards of a custom function during execution is to use send mail tasks. For example, if I want to check what test records is doing, I can actually append that into the email and send that to myself. And that way, whenever this custom function gets run, I will be able to see what the output of search records by PDC is just by looking at my email. There are, of course, limitations compared to using a template. Generally, the UI for doing a workflow alert is a lot nicer than coding it up here. But if you're strong with HTML, then you won't have any issues with being able to write a HTML-based email and inject in relevant CRM variables.